Today, I'm going to walk you through a really deeply relaxing and so simple face massage routine. All you need is a clean, dry face and some sort of face oil that you can use and your hands. We'll go ahead and get started. If you have jewelry on, take off your jewelry. If you have long hair, grab your hair clip so you can pull your hair back. I like to set myself up for the win. I have a series of videos here. One of them is my facial cleansing routines. Just before this, I cleansed my face with an oil cleanser, the exact same oil I'm going to use for this. Do this at night, do it in the morning. Bookmark this video, save it for later, add it to a playlist, whatever you need. I already did a couple squirts in here. Probably have about 5 squirts of oil in this hand. We're just going to take a minute and arrive here. Rubbing your hands together, just getting the oil on your hands. And then you can just get the oil evenly distributed. We're going to do the neck as well. I love to start with the forehead. So starting with your forehead, we carry so much tension in our forehead. You don't need to push hard. Just inviting your forehead to relax. You can get up along the hairline. And then coming down along the nose here. This really helps with sinuses. This helps with headaches, bringing some relaxation. It's all around the eyes here too. So you can bring this down. And here we go. Then you can take your hands and pull them across here. It's honestly whatever feels good to you. We're working our way down, and then we're going to work our way back up. When I am in a bad mood or I'm stressed, my mouth gets really tight through here. Any parts of the face that you know you carry tension. You'll do one side at a time. There's no right or wrong way. We're really going with what feels good. But how often do we really give our face this kind of attention? I like to go along the hairline too. Getting around the ears like this. There are so many acupressure points in the ears, behind the ear. Getting along here and then coming down along the jaws. As you can see, my hands follow each other. This one starts the work and this one locks it in. Again, just whatever feels good. I carry a lot of tension in my neck, the sides of my neck, and the back of my shoulders here. It's all connected. All of this is connected. Your neck, your shoulders, it's all connected to the face. And then right here along the clavicle, this also helps with drainage in the face, lymphatic drainage, allowing your skin to drain and relax. Then you can open up the heart space a little bit. Okay, so that's the face going down. Nice little relaxing face massage going down. You can breathe here, and you could also just leave it at that if that feels good to you. But then you can also start working your way back up. And I love this part too. Come along the sides of the face. Imagine now we're lifting it all back up. We're encouraging the face. We're encouraging the face to move upwards. Hello. Yes. You can even add a smile to that. Grab right along the jaw and just pull everything up like that. Grabbing along the jaw and pulling up around the sides of the eyes and the face. And again, you can come up here, but now we're going up. You can come down the nose, but then pulling everything up. Go in whatever order feels good. The more that you practice, the more you're going to find what feels really good for you. Along the lips, again, back up around the forehead, inviting everything upward. It's really good. And I'm not using a lot of pressure. And then because everything's connected in the scalp, start to pull some of that energy back into the scalp too. Don't just stop at the face. Give yourself a little head massage in there too. Again, whatever feels good. This spot back here feels so nice at the very base of the skull. Let's relax those fear zones in the brain and mind. Relaxing. Whew. You can keep going with this for as long as you want. Find those spots that really need your attention and give them that attention. This relaxes the whole body, the whole nervous system. Back down and open the heart space. Get around your ears. You can get inside your ears. You could go rogue with this practice. You can watch this for the ASMR quality. Just watch. And if there's something I'm doing that looks really good to you and you want to practice this on yourself, practice it. It's about starting to connect with our bodies and what we need. Oh, that feels so good. And the skin is all nice and moisturized as well. And we're ready to go. You can put on your moisturizer for the day. You can do your eye creams, then you can do your makeup on top of that. Or if you're just going to bed, go to bed and be relaxed. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Bookmark it, save it, do all the things you need to do to be able to come back to it as much as you need. I'm Jessica Amos. May you stay with yourself today and always. Bye.